All right, what's up, everyone? To another video of Full Speed Impulse, and today we're at the crf110, and to put in a Dnm Rear Shock. Got a 250-pound rating on it. Let's get at it. All right, so first things first, probably going to take the seat off. We're going to take the seat off this thing, which requires us to take off some side plates here, and then we'll get at it. It's got the stock shock on there right now, and then we also, in another video, have some front suspension work to do. Let's do it. Already got this bolt up here loosened. Nut had to use an impact. It was on there pretty tight. Gonna slide that out, and that shock should come out. All right, we got the Dnm Rear Shock, and you can see it's actually grooved out here to go into the bike a certain way. Sometimes you can mount these different ways, but on the crf110, on the newer models, they have to be going a certain way. So you can see this notch here, that's gonna go in just like that. That's gonna be on the downside, and it'll groove right in there. So we're gonna slide that in just like that. It goes in perfectly. Slide our bolt through. The only thing that stinks, man, how are you supposed to adjust that? You're not? We're gonna have to, before we put our plastics on, you're gonna have to feel like what you like, and then we'll set it, and then that's what it's gonna be. All right, starting to get it back together. 32 foot-pounds on both bolts, guys, for the rear shock. And because you can see here, once he gets our plastic on and all that you won't be able to adjust that. I told him to sit on the bike, see what it feels like, get that adjusted where he wants it now. Because once he puts this all back together, unfortunately, we will not be able to reach it. So, this is what it is for the crf110 game. Got that Dnm Rear Shock all installed, guys. Looking good. I wanted to post this video after we did the front suspension, so now that you can see, like, the bike sits really good, guys. It's standing nice. One thing we do got to work on, though, if we are going to have a kickstand on this bike, we got the block of wood. And either we gotta just cough it up and be like, it's a no kickstand bike, or we gotta make a good kickstand for this thing. Or buy one that's already done, but either way. But that's just a short video, guys, on installing that Dnm Rear Shock. Great shock, guys. 250 pounds, great for your small riders or your adult riders that just want that comfy, cush ride, ripping through the woods. 300, 350, your bigger riders or more aggressive riders, but 300's a good middle ground for any adult rider, I would say. 250 is a little bit more comfy. 350 is if you're just a bigger rider or just, like I said, super aggressive. But that's it for today's video. I appreciate you watching, and you know the deal. Until next time, we'll see you later.